Hey y'all, it's your girl K-Sura-Y and I'm back with another video. As you can see, honestly in this video I'm just doing a makeup tutorial, a beginner makeup tutorial for myself, but I also want to give you guys some life updates and just share what's been going on in my life. I just started doing my makeup like a few months now, so I'm not that good at it. So if you guys have any tips, let me know. Also, this makeup tutorial is very much budget friendly because I don't use any makeup products more than $20. All my makeup is either from the dollar store or TJ Maxx. So let's just get right into it. First things first, you want to prime your face. I use this e.l.f. Power Grip primer. I actually used to work at GoPuff when I was in Philly, and so I got this for like $3 because of my discount, employee discount. I usually put the primer on my cheek and just a little bit on my forehead, like a tiny bit. I usually just put makeup on my cheeks and my forehead. I don't really do too much, but I like this primer because it makes your face, I don't like matte looking makeup, so it gives your makeup that after finish glow. So we're gonna let that dry. So guys, I've been away for 2 months. I haven't posted a video in 2 months, and that's honestly because I was taking that time to work on myself. I've been going through a lot this past year. I lost my uncle. I lost not really a job, but like I stopped having work. I stopped getting work. I stopped getting paid, and so it's kind of been like a rough year for me. And so I just been taking that time to learn new skills, try to find new ways to generate more income. And you would think that I would try to optimize my YouTube, but I end up looking in other ways. So I started like pushing Goth and Ghana more, which is my tooth gem business. And also I took a social media marketing class. So right now I'm currently working for Art Smith Design as a social media marketer. I'm so happy to be working with them. This is my concealer, y'all. It's not focusing. This is my concealer. I like this concealer because it doesn't have that matte finish. I really don't like the matte finish with makeup. I actually hate it. I like the more glowy, dewy look when it comes to doing makeup. So I just put it under my eyes, a little bit on my chin, and then a line on my forehead. Y'all, this makeup tutorial is so basic, I'm telling you. And then a little dot in the corner here. So this is how it should look. You see that match? You can't even tell it's not my skin. So yeah, I started working for Art Smith Design. It's a web design company as a social media marketer for about 2 weeks now. I'm really grateful that I took the time to take the class and learn the skill. Because y'all, I'm stressing. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm stressing. I'm in Ghana, you know, a whole nother country, trying to figure it out. That being said though, guys, I am going to Philly. I am going back to Philly. I'm going back to Philly in about 3 weeks. Excuse the background, y'all. The kids in my neighborhood are back home from school, so they're just like outside playing all loud and stuff. I'll be in Philly until January. And honestly, I'm just going to get a reset, really figure out what I want to do while I'm in Ghana. Like, I started my business Goth in Ghana, but I also want to get the proper certifications for my business because I do tooth gem, so I'm in people's mouths. So I want to get the proper certifications in the US, get my licensing, and so I can be able to do it over there as well. But I have my licensing in Ghana, but they don't accept it in the US, which sucks, but it's all right. I find it really hard to be consistent with YouTube because I'm my own cameraman, I'm my own brainstormer, I'm my own editor. So it takes a lot of time, and a lot of times I don't just feel inspired. I feel inspired to record, but then when it comes to editing, it's such a long, tedious process that like I just lose like all love for it. I love recording, I don't like the editing part. So, you know, I edit all my own videos, and I really would like to hire an editor, but right now it's not in my budget, so I'm doing what I can do. I really would love to be consistent with YouTube, but like I said, I'm having hard times with editing and just being inspired. Also too, during the 2 months, I've been getting into more music. I've been recording more music. I actually want to drop an EP, or I wanted to drop an EP this year, but I end up changing till next year because I'm still trying to find my sound. You know, I'm still trying to figure out like what I want to sound like. I've played with a couple different sounds and I don't really like them all too much. So yeah, I just been doing music. I've been also trying to get into modeling. I've been having some small gigs here and there. So a few months ago, my uncle passed, rest in peace to him. So my grandma wanted to do a memorial for him this month. And so she called me and she was like, I want you to come to the States. Like, I'll get your ticket for you. And I was like, okay, like I'll go to the States. I'll come for the memorial. I would love to be there with the family and be there for him. And so I was like, yeah. So when I thought about it, I was like, you know what? Instead of just going for like 2 weeks, why not just stay a few months and try to like get my certification, update my documents, like just do everything I need to do. Maybe even get a job and work, make some money, and also just see my family. Like I have literally in Ghana, I have no one but my mother and my sister. I don't have any family over here. A lot of times I feel lonely. Like I know I have my mother, I know I have my sister, but I be missing my grandparents. I be missing my cousins. Like I do be lonely a bit out here. I be missing my friends. So it's good to always go back and forth. Okay, y'all, so the concealer is blended. Okay, y'all, so I'm going back in with more concealer. I'm gonna put this on my lower cheek. Y'all see my brand sticker? God thank Ghana. So the LA Colors concealer. I feel like everybody uses this concealer. Y'all, I got this from TJ Maxx for like, what, $3? But I just put a little bit of this because a little bit of this goes a long way. So I just put a little bit of this under, right on top of the concealer. And I put a dot on my nose and a dot, like a little, small little line here and a small little line here. So, as y'all can see, yeah. I like to go in with my Dollar Tree blush. I love this blush down, okay? Like, I'm almost even out of it. But I just put a little line here, like that. I hope y'all see the vision. And I put a little bit on my nose too. Yeah, but I feel like it's important to get a reset and go back, you know, home if you need to. I feel like I live in both places. Like I love Ghana, but I also love where I'm from as well. It's like when I'm in Ghana, it's like my home away from home. And Philly is also like that too. I would love to be in Ghana full time, but I don't want to be in Ghana and broke at the same time. So I just, you know, decide to take this step, go back and handle my business, okay? Because I'm not a little girl. I'm about to be 23 in a few weeks, so I have to do what I gotta do. All right, y'all, so it's time to blend. So I start with the corners first. Guys, I don't do my eyebrows. I don't do my makeup to look perfect. I don't do my makeup to look like a doll, or I just do it to get a little glow. Because, you know, with or without makeup, face still tea. I want to go in with some eyeshadow. I bought this palette from TJ Maxx for, what, $5.99? So this is the brush I'm going to use. I'm going to also use this glittery pink color since I got on pink already. This could be a disaster or this could be beautiful. We'll see. Oh my God, I never do it like this. Cutie, cutie patootie. I just want to brush my eyebrows. Brush them out. Y'all probably think my eyebrows are horrendous, but I actually love them. Taking a brown pencil and just fill my eyebrows in a bit. Yeah, y'all, and so my birthday is coming up, my 23rd birthday. So I have a lot of big plans, but I'm also kind of in a tough spot because it's like Should I go big and celebrate big for my birthday in Ghana, but then go to Philly and kind of be like stressed financially for like a week or two, or just chill here, and that way when I go to Philly I'll have a nice amount of money that I'm comfortable with. I have big plans. Ideally, I would like to have both. I would like to have a whole lot of money in Philly and still turn up for my birthday, but my budget for my birthday is kind of expensive because I want to do a photo shoot and I want to get an Airbnb and go to dinner, y'all. So I don't know, y'all. I'm in a weird, rough spot. I'm not gonna lie, I'm being totally honest. So I think what I'll just do is just maybe do the photo shoot only. Bro, I hate when I get mascara on my face because it leaves streaks. But yeah, y'all, I'm be 23. I feel so old. I still feel 17, guys. I don't feel my age. It's like as I get older, time just keep moving faster. It's like I don't get a break. We're gonna do eyeliner. I like to just focus on my under eye. I don't do it on my eyelid. I do it on my, whatever this is called. Oh, I smudged it, girl. Karen. As y'all can see, the mistake I made. I made a little mistake. All right, y'all. So I can't decide if I want to do a brown lip or if I want to do a black lip. So honestly, I don't really like brown lips like that because my lips are already naturally dark. So it doesn't show. It doesn't really show, which I hate. I do love brown liner, but it doesn't show on my skin. So I'm gonna try the brown lip, and if it doesn't look nice, then I'm just not gonna do it. So let's try the brown lip. Okay, I don't really blend my lip liner. I don't really be blending it. Okay, that eats a bit. I'm going to add this color because it kind of matches with my shirt and I kind of want that. Cute. Y'all, should I leave it like this? Oh my god. I think I'm gonna leave it. I think it's cute. I don't think I need to do a whole lot of extra shit with this. So yeah, y'all. This is the final look. I told you it was a very simple, I think this makeup look was under $30. Well, the most expensive thing was my concealer, which was like $15. And everything else was like $5.99, $3.99, $2.99. I got this setting spray from 5 and Below, y'all. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. That's the end of the video. If you have any advice or any suggestions on life in general, please comment some motivational tips below or something to help your girl out, something to help your girl feel encouraged, man. I literally did my makeup so I could feel better about myself because, y'all, I've been feeling like a failure. I'm trying, and thank you so much for watching.